Hello, welcome to Technic for Tutorials. This is a Tube Tracker demo. Let's get started. Tube Tracker is the only application that gives you total tracking for YouTube, and that includes every sort of tracking that you could want across all the regions of YouTube. So what I have already done so far on the Tube Tracker to reach this screen is to set up a new product and give it one keyword, which is my root keyword for my channel, Funny Cat. I have just put in any random channel name, and you can do so. Once you are ready, start by adding keywords, the keywords that you are targeting. You can also rank it for today at some position, and if you want to compare your rank and see how yours evolves, or what time, or how your competitors are ranking, you can find all of that in here. Now, I'm gonna add a new video. So I'll click here and add the URL here. Then, click on OK. And now this software will pull out all the rankings from YouTube. Here you can see my video ID, video title, the total and daily views, and it can tell me that on YouTube Worldwide, my ranking is 700, and on Google Worldwide rankings too. So you can compete with others. Go to the Video Competition tab. Then click here to add your video. Paste in your video URL. Here it will also show the total views, likes, comments, daily views, and other details of your video. Now let's see our competitor's video. Just click here and enter in the video URL. Click on OK. Then you will see all the details of your competitor's videos, from the views, likes, comments, and the rest of the details. In this way, you can compare your videos from your competitors. Now, go back to the keyword section. Now let's take a look at the keywords from the Google Worldwide region. Add in a keyword. Also add in your video URL. Then add in your competitor's video URL here. Then from here, you can check on the rankings. You will see the details here below, and compare your videos from your competitor's videos. So you can easily see the comparison from the keywords, channel, videos that are accessible from the tabs here at the top. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.